Hello everybody, my name is Sam. I'm the owner, I'm the CEO of AZH Builders. Here today I want to tell you why you're going to hire us. Why us? Let me tell you why us. As the best builders in San Diego, the reason that you're here is because same as we are, you need us. So why us? Because we're the best in the market as we speak. Nobody else, I'm telling you right now, nobody else is better than us. So as being the better or the best in this trade, I welcome you to come and join us so you can make a partnership with us. We are the best, yes, as builders, we are the best right now in the market. Just give us a call, let us know why you want to partner with us. On the same page, what is it that we do? When you give us a budget, we're always gonna hit the budget. This is what we do. We are gonna hit the budget. Let's say between you and I, we come to an agreement that you only have $1,000 to spend. This is what we do. We are gonna work with those $1,000 and we're gonna make it happen. Thank you. Give us a call. Let us know how we can partner up together. I hope to see you in the next project. Thank you. Bye now.